Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiat 500 Abarth Cabrio. So the halo effect of Abarth sets Fiat apart in the small car segment. No one else can claim the iconic Italian performance image of Abarth, backed by a high power-to-weight ratio in an engine that delivers 160 horsepower and 170 foot-pounds of torque. Friends, the Fiat 500e is an electric vehicle that doesn't act like an electric appliance. It brings beauty to the world of electric vehicles, Italian design, legendary heritage, and an electric power plant. So sure, our electric Cinquecento will help stop global warming, but let me tell you, this car will also start global hotness. So if you have been at the European shows or on the web, you may have seen me revealing this 500L. But there is more that hasn't been revealed yet. Today, we have one more L for you. So you haven't seen the adventurous side of the Fiat 500L. This one we call the Fiat 500L Trekking. The Trekking expands the circle of L. It delivers the appeal and practicality of the 500L with rugged looks, unique front and rear fascias, two-tone interiors, larger wheels, and most importantly, an adventurous personality.